Hello everybody. We just wanted to come on here and say thank you for absolutely everything you've done supporting us through this whole journey since, well, June. And everybody who bought the album, listened to the album, came out to all the shows, just supporting us in general. It's a big, great thank you from both of us. And it's mind-boggling to me everywhere we've been for the past 2.5 months. But everywhere we've been in the past, it's only been 2.5 months, but it's insane.
Yeah.
We've released the album, it's on CD, everywhere, Apple, like everywhere, and we played it to all these people, which is cool for me. But we just wanted to, and I'll ask, we'll talk about our opinions on everything. We should start, right? Okay, what was your favorite part of recording the album?
Probably went to the studio for the first time.
Yeah, it was his first studio experience, and I could tell he had a lot of fun.
Yeah.
It made me feel even better. I just being there in the studio working hard with you and getting it, and the final product was very pleasing to me. It was so beautiful, hearing the sound of my soul for the first time. And Colton and Weston was sitting there like, "Is that us?" You know. But well, yeah, I think you fell asleep. But what's your favorite song on the album?
Blue Waves.
I would have to say The Sound of My Soul. Only because of the way that it's mellow, like it's mellow, and it's like, what's the word? It's like, flow, like dreamy, I don't know, I can't think of the word, but it's, and I love Blue Waves and Stars and Dawn Sky and Embers and Dreaming at Night, and it's all been insane. What's your favorite show that we played so far?
My house.
Your house?
Yeah.
I think I'd have to say probably when we went to Middletown for the first time. That one was fun.
Yeah, it was.
It was a lot of fun. Turn around looking at the big city behind us. That was fun. But yeah.
Yeah.
But thank you guys again. This has been an insane journey the past 2.5 months. Doing everything that we've done. And thanks everybody again. You got anything you want to say? No? Alright, well, see you guys in the next one. We're going to get back at it to work. Get some new stuff ready. So, thanks again everybody and goodbye.
Bye.